Welcome back to the cabin, everyone. It's Saturday morning, about 10:30. It's middle of September, and in this video, I'm just doing some quote-unquote spring cleaning. I know it's the fall, but I'm just now getting around to it, so I'm going to be doing that, getting things ready for the winter time coming up here. The leaves are already turning yellow on the trees out there and starting to fall, so it won't be long before the snow's falling. We've already had our first hard frost out here a few weeks ago. So winter is coming. It is still getting up in the 50s during the daytime, but it's getting pretty cold at night. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to be pulling the potatoes out of the garden Sunday morning before I head back, so that's going to be at the end of the video. Also, I checked the game camera last night when I came in, and I caught a lot of moose on the game camera, so I'm going to be putting pictures of the moose throughout this video. So make sure you stick around and watch all of that. And please don't forget to subscribe. A lot of the people watching my videos aren't subscribed, so please go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. And I want to thank all my new subscribers. I have been, excuse me, I have been averaging about 1 subscriber per day, so thank you very much. It's greatly appreciated that you like my content and decided to subscribe to my videos. Thank you very much, and let's get into it and get cleaning this place up. As you can see, my bed is just made up of these 2 foam pads. They're, I'd say, about 2.5, maybe 3 inches thick. And then this futon mattress on top of it, which is a couple inches thick. And then I just put bed sheets on it. And then when it gets real cold at night, I have a sleeping bag that I put over top of myself on top of the comforter that's goes on this. So that's just my bed setup. I'm gonna go ahead and bring up the sheets and stuff and make the bed the best I can. These sheets don't fit on very well. They're actually made for, I think it's a full size, if I'm not mistaken, which is about halfway between the size of the 2 foam pads and the futon mattress. So they don't fit very well, but hey, they'll work up here. I tried finding a futon bed set and just could not find one that would fit this futon mattress, so they all came for a lot larger futons. So I'm gonna make do with what I got. And it's not the easiest making the bed while you're actually on it, but I don't have any choice, so I gotta do it. This comforter I use is just a real old comforter, and it's a summertime comforter, so in the middle of the winter time at night when the fire goes out and it starts cooling down in here, it can easily get down into the low 40s, sometimes even the upper 30s. And that gets pretty chilly sleeping with just a summer comforter, so that's why I use the sleeping bag. I can just pull that up on me and sleep rest of the night and worry about the coldness in the morning when I wake up. Okay, this job is done. On to the next. It's Sunday morning right now, and this is going to be a short video. I didn't do much. I actually went out riding around a little bit yesterday and did a few other things that really weren't camera worthy. So since it's Sunday morning, I'm going to be leaving here in a couple hours, and so let's go ahead and take a look at the potatoes. As you can see, they're pretty much done for this year. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the potatoes this morning. Wow, look at my strawberries. They're really growing crazy. My berry plants are doing very well also. Interesting, looks like something was here eating. Something like a moose. Let's get busy and see how many potatoes we grew this year. I have my container here that I'm going to put all the potatoes in. I got an inch or two of wood shavings in the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and start pulling the potatoes and seeing what I have. Yes, I'm wearing gloves. That's only because I don't have any good place to wash my hands after I dig through this dirt. I already have the inside pretty much cleaned up and ready to go, so I'm gonna wear gloves. Bunch of little ones. These will be good for cooking. Ooh, look at those. Nice potatoes. That's pretty neat. That's how potatoes grow. On one vine you'll get a whole bunch apparently. Lots and lots of potatoes. Well, these are my giant baked potatoes, but they didn't get very big obviously. I planted too late in the season, I think. Starting to get my first obvious different kinds of potatoes. These are the red-skinned ones. I ended up getting a lot of potatoes, but they were on the small side. It's not the outcome I was hoping for. I was hoping for some really big baked potatoes and a whole lot of other large potatoes, but it is what it is, and I can't change anything, so I'll just have to cut them up and fry them. This being the first year I ever planted potatoes, I am pleased with the outcome of the potatoes and the quantity that I got. So I'm really happy about that. I want to welcome all my new subscribers and thank all of you for liking my videos and commenting on my videos. It is greatly appreciated, and it does help out the YouTube algorithm. If you like my videos, please feel free to share my videos on your social media. It would really help out a lot. And also, please don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you very much, and I appreciate everyone that took the time to watch my video. Thank you very much.